You know that one piece in your wardrobe that makes a statement without even trying? Yeah, this is it. This oversized high-low shirt is what I called effortless drama. You can see the front, it's normal, casual, but you turn around and boom, the drama begins. The back is below your knee, and you can see how beautifully it moves when you walk. And the sleeves balloon effect is real. These cuffs gives the perfect volume without sipping down. This stunning piece is from Freehand by Indian Garage Company. I am trying this brand for the first time, but quality is really good. It is made in 100% cotton fabric, so it is perfect for upcoming summer months. Now styling is all about creating balance in your outfit. Because the shirt is oversized, I am keeping it sleek with my H&M's blue skinny jeans. For the accessories, I have picked up golden accessories because little shine never hurts, right? Let's talk about accessories. First one is this cuff bracelet. It is from brand Little Origin. These golden hoops, these are from brand Salty. I have one more bracelet. This is from Amazon. I'll give the link below. These gold studded sandals, these are from Catwalk and they are very comfortable. And you can see the complete look here. Some shirts are really easy to wear. You just throw them on and instantly you look put together. This shirt is one of them. This is from brand DL Woman, which again I am trying for the first time. This rust color oversized shirt is made in crepe fabric, which is very comfortable to wear in the summer. It feels like a breeze. I am wearing this shirt and it is so cool. I am feeling so comfortable in this because it's a crepe fabric. It drapes perfectly. It is flowy but not shapeless, and it's beautiful rust color. It is warm, rich, and making me feel like I am walking on the Pinterest mood board. And pairing it with white trousers, it is like a chef's kiss. Crisp, clean, and effortlessly stylish. Now let's talk about the fit of this shirt. It is oversized and it looks intentional. It is not looking like it is borrowed from someone else's closet. Now let's talk about accessories. Because I have paired this shirt with a white trousers, I have paired it with these simple pearl earrings and this beautiful silver bracelet because I wanted to keep this look effortless, stylish and classy. And of course, acrylic strap sandals. If you are looking for something which is comfortable, effortless yet stylish, this look is for you. You can see the complete look here. You know those pieces that look simple but have little surprise to them? Yeah, this one is one of them. This beautiful dusty pink oversized shirt is from brand Raspberry. The front, clean, sleek and minimal. But back, it's a whole vibe. This graphic design adds that unexpected edge to otherwise soft, muted shirt. It's oversized, it's long, the concealed placket keeps it polished while still feeling laid back. For the styling, I have paired it with blue skinny jeans because the shirt is oversized and fitted bottom balances everything out. For the jewelry, I wore these beautiful pearl hoops to balance the graphic at the back, soft at the front, statement at the back. This one got the personality. See the look. Polka dots, always classic, playful and little bit retro. This beauty is from Tokyo Talkies in beautiful orange color, which is instant mood booster. It is made in viscous rayon fabric, which is super soft, breathable and flowy. It moves beautifully and feels like a dream. The fit, relaxed and effortless. Thanks to drop shoulder, it's got that laid back, easygoing vibe. This top has that bright orange color with white polka dot. I have paired it with crisp white trousers to keep things fresh and balanced. For the accessories, I have paired it with silver hoops with this pearl detail and this silver bracelet, and for elevation, my acrylic strap heels. Soft, flowy, and full of personality. This one is my instant favorite. Some outfits have that effortless, I don't even try but I look amazing vibe. Yeah, this one. This is one of them. This beautiful shirt is from brand Roadster, made in 100% cotton poplin fabric. This light brown oversized shirt is relaxed, still has structure. High-low hemline is easy for movement while keeping things polished. To balance this oversized structured top, I have paired it with H&M's flared black leggings, which balances the volume of the top with the flared bottom. And of course, gold jewelry, because brown and gold is always a winning combo. So I have paired it with this beautiful bracelet from Little Origin and these golden hoops with pearl details. This bold piece is from Charm Girl. This is for those days when you just want to have fun with fashion. It has this bold digital print, boxy fit, and effortless cool vibe. It's made in polyester fabric, which means it's lightweight, flowy, and gives that sleek look without trying too hard. This shirt has bold, vibrant print which gives that artsy, playful vibe, and it feels little edgy. This shirt has loose, boxy fit. To balance that, I have paired it with black H&M flared leggings, which is balancing the entire silhouette. For the accessories, I have paired it with this Little Origin beautiful bracelet and these gold hoops. There is something about Cuban collar that screams effortless cool, and this chevron textured boxy shirt, it's giving that relaxed and put together vibe in the best. This shirt is from brand Roadster, which has self-designed, which adds the right amount of space, which is subtle yet chic. It is made in pure cotton fabric,